Master Google Docs, Tips for Better Document Collaboration. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you some powerful tips to master Google Docs for better document collaboration. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Start by sharing your document using the Share button at the top right. Set permissions to either view, comment, or edit, depending on the level of access you want to give. Use the Comments feature to leave feedback or ask questions directly on specific text. Just highlight the section, right-click, and choose Comment. Try Suggesting mode instead of editing. This way, your changes appear as suggestions others can accept or reject, making teamwork more transparent. Use Version History to track edits and restore earlier versions if needed. Tag teammates by typing @ followed by their email in a comment. This sends them a notification and speeds up collaboration. And if you're working in real time, use the built-in chat feature to discuss changes live without switching platforms. And that's how you can collaborate more effectively using Google Docs. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. That's all for the video.